Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use ServiceTitan for HVAC CRM. So the first thing that you should do here is just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for ServiceTitan. Okay, and then the first website that you'll see, you just have to click on it. Okay, so ServiceTitan, and then click on this first website. That's right. Okay, so right here, what we're going to do now is to get started or sign up for an account. So just click on the get started, and then you have to request a personalized demo. So for the industry, I'm going to select HVAC, and then for the select number of tax, and then do you have at least one full-time office employee, and what kind of jobs does your company focus on, and then here select area of focus. Okay, so we have residential and commercial, as well as for the job focus, so we are going to select service and replacement, or construction, or remodel. After that, click on agree and continue, and then right here just have to tell them a little more about yourself. So type out your email, first name, last name, mobile phone number, and then your company. Okay, so since we cannot really request a demo right now, I'm just going to show you what are the advantages if you're going to use the HVAC CRM. So here, as you can see, we have the commercial, residential, and the products. So we are going to proceed with the residential, and from there we'll be able to see the HVAC. Okay, as you can see here, we have the commercial. So just go ahead and click on the residential. That's right, and here on the residential, you'll be able to see the ServiceTitan powers HVAC. Okay, so this is what I mean. And they're the traders. So click on HVAC. Okay, and then here you'll be able to see here now the overview and the details of the HVAC. Okay, that's right. So now let us proceed. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and be able to see here now the details. Okay, so let me just do it again. Okay, this one right here. Now here, the ServiceTitan powers HVAC businesses to the next level. So from boosting productivity and delivering real-time views of profit and performance to providing tools that scale businesses, ServiceTitan is software built to help HVAC businesses solve the challenges they'll face now and in the future. Here we have this boost workflow efficiency, impress every customer, achieve maximum profit, and more. Now here we have the boost workflow efficiency. So our all-in-one configurable platform streamlines daily operations like scheduling, dispatching, work order management, and billing. So data-driven tools provide real-time insights, allowing you to optimize workflows, improve processes, and drive better business outcomes. So their mobile app keeps technicians connected with real-time data access, ensuring seamless communication and operational efficiency. Okay, so next we have the impress every customers, achieve maximum profit, and scale beyond your goals. Okay, so we have here the more details, and if you would like to explore the tools, just click on it. Okay, so here on the commercial, you'll be able to see here now the CRM. You have proposals, job posting, reporting, accounting, but I'm just going to focus on the CRM. We also have here the client portal. Okay, so for the CRM, access actionable data on equipment history, customer insight, and invoices from a central hub that's easily accessible from the field or the office. So you just have to learn more about this one. So while they exceed the expectations. So here, remind customers you're on the way. It is true, as a customer, we want to know when professionals are thinking of us. So with the ServiceTitan, you can send appointment reminders and even technician spies over SMS text. Next, we can send, receive SMS text to build a two-way stream of communication with your customers via text. With ServiceTitan, your customers can use SMS texting to confirm an appointment, reschedule appointment via the SMS text questions before an appointment. That's right. And here, guarantee on-time arrival. So customers are already tracking expected packages, fries, and even pizzas via mobile technology. So it's in time they track service professional too. So with a ServiceTitan stack tracking, you can show customers where their technician's truck is on a map and definitely know when they arrive for the appointment. Next, let customers reach you the way they want. So add a web scheduler or chat to text widget to your website and give customers an easy way to schedule a job or start a text conversations from your website. Okay, so for example, you can see a preview at the right side of your screen. So here you can check out the other field of operations features. So we have commission tracking, field estimates, technician app, automated timesheets, GPS tracking, and more. Now, the ServiceTitan is a comprehensive cloud-based CRM and field management software specifically built for service businesses like HVAC companies. And one of its main advantages is how it centralizes customer data, job histories, estimates, and invoices in one system. This makes it easy for HVAC companies to keep track of every client interaction, from the first call to job completion, resulting in improved customer service and faster response times. So the ServiceTitan also offers a mobile app for technicians, allowing them to view schedules, customer details, and job instructions while out in the field. And another key feature is its built-in scheduling and dispatch system, which helps HVAC businesses assign the right technician to the right job based on availability, skill level, and location. So this improves overall efficiency and reduces delays. Automated reminders, live GPS tracking, and real-time communication between the office and technicians ensure that jobs are completed on time and with full visibility. It also allows businesses to set up recurring services, helping retain customers and maintain steady revenue. So the ServiceTitan also includes powerful tools for reporting, marketing, and sales management. HVAC companies can track performance metrics like job conversion rates, technician efficiency, and customer satisfaction scores. It also has built-in marketing automation to send follow-up emails, request reviews, and target customers for maintenance or seasonal promotions. This all-in-one system not only streamlines operations but also helps HVAC businesses grow by making data-driven decisions and maximizing the customer lifetime value. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.